How to trademark a name or logo for free. Hey everybody, if you're watching this channel, welcome. My name is Marcella Dominguez, where I help online and offline businesses protect their names, logos, slogans, and taglines, and also with a little bit of YouTube marketing. Make sure that you hit subscribe down below. I want to teach you everything that I know, including how I grew my channel, but also the law. Trademark law has been my cup of tea for a pretty long time now, but you are here in this video because you want to know if you can protect your trademark or your logo or your business name for free. So I'm going to cut straight to the chase, and I'm going to tell you that the USPTO is not going to allow you to protect your trademark for free. Now, I know that that's pretty devastating to those of you that expected to get something free out of this, but hey, here's the free information that I am providing to you. The free information is the USPTO is not giving registered trademarks for free. There is going to be a cost associated with it. And if you want to know all of the pricing details, then make sure that you watch this video right here, where I go into detail about all the new pricing that has been implemented by the USPTO as of January 2021. So now that you know that nothing is going to be for free at the USPTO, do you want to keep watching this video? Well, yes, you do, because I'm going to get to my point. When I was an economics minor, my teacher told me that nothing in life is free, much less in business. And so I thought, what in the world are they talking about? I've been to McDonald's before where they will say, oh, here's your free drink. Or I've been to a restaurant where they'll say, oh, here's your free dessert. And really, I had to ask myself, like, were these things free? Did I really get a free drink? Did I really get a free dessert? And the fact of the matter is that if you entered those businesses, you had a purpose to purchase something, right? So I may have purchased a burger at McDonald's, I may have purchased an entree at Applebee's, and I ended up getting those things for free. And even though it sounded like it was for free, I actually had to pay for something before I was able to get something else. So my point is that you always have to pay for something in either time or money. And when it comes to the USPTO, you're going to have to take the time to read through the questions and read through the application to see which lines and which blanks are applicable to you so that you can fill them out. So it's actually going to cost you a little bit of time to go through that application if you're actually hoping to save money. Now, if you're not really interested in saving money and you're more interested in saving time, then it would be beneficial for you to scroll down into the description where we can help you protect your name, your logo, your slogan, and your tagline, because we've been doing this for many years, and you can look at all of the positive reviews that we have right here, and you can also go to marcellatm.com. I'm really happy that we've been able to help so many clients protect their logos, their slogans, and their taglines. The varied amounts of businesses that are out there are incredible. I love that entrepreneurs are risk takers and they're willing to see if the spaghetti sticks on the wall. They're willing to see if their idea works, and many times they are willing to do what it takes. When you become an entrepreneur, you'll see that there's always a cost-benefit analysis. Something is always going to cost you time, or it's going to cost you money. Nothing is ever going to be free in this lifetime, whether you're an entrepreneur or not. So my point in creating this video is that if you are looking to protect your trademark for free, the closest you're going to get to that is by being on this channel and by making sure you hit the subscribe button, because all of the content that you're watching right now is free. But think about it, it's still costing you time. So I hope that this video was a little bit of a lesson in inspiring you and teaching you about the cost-benefit analysis of whatever new venture you're embarking upon. If you are interested in getting a free trademark registration, after watching this video, you know that that's not entirely possible. But if you want to come close to saving as much money as possible, make sure that you visit trademarkanything.com, where you can use a very simple DIY solution for your trademark registration. You can register a name, a logo, a slogan, or a tagline using trademarkanything.com. It's really simple to use, and it should take you not more than 5 to 10 minutes. So if that's the kind of cost-effective solution that you're looking for, knowing that a trademark registration won't be free, then make sure that you scroll down into the description below, where you can send me an email, or you can simply file for your trademark at trademarkanything.com. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and if you haven't checked out this video already, make sure that you do so, because in this video I cover all the basics that you need to know for registering your trademark, but understanding the process just a little bit better before you embark on that journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.